Hey everyone! Today I'm making a creamy and spicy Bang Bang Salmon with cherry tomatoes and spinach. A quick stovetop recipe that's full of flavor, ready in just minutes. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, honey, and a squeeze of lime juice. This creamy, fiery Bang Bang sauce is what will give our salmon that irresistible kick. Next, season the salmon with salt and black pepper. Heat some olive oil in a pan, sear it skin side down till it's golden, proper crispy. Flip, cook through still tender, juicy inside. In that same pan, sauté minced garlic till it smells gorgeous. Add cherry tomatoes, let them soften, then toss in fresh spinach till it wilts. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Lower the heat now. Slide the salmon back in and spoon that gorgeous sauce right on top. Give it a minute, just to warm. It'll melt over the fish like silk. Serve straight from the pan hot, with the garlicky spinach and burst tomatoes spooned alongside. Look how creamy, how alive with heat and honey it looks. Eat it while it's singing. This Bang Bang Salmon's spicy, creamy, utterly lush. Brilliant for a speedy supper. If it made your mouth happy, like, subscribe, share. I'd love the company. Thanks for watching. See you next time.